हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ आज़ाद एंड यू आर वाचिंग जॉब एक्सप्रेस। अगर आप ये वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल पे जा सकते हैं। वहाँ मैं हिंदी में वीडियोस बनाता हूँ, तो आप उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ, वहाँ पर आप क्लिक कर उस चैनल पे जा सकते हैं। So let's start our new video. I'm not making videos for a long time due to some issues, but now I'm starting making videos on in these channels, and hope I will make some good videos for you. So today in video we'll go to talk about how to get a job in Canada. If you belong to from any category, if you have any experience, any job profile, and you want to find the jobs in Canada, there is one good website of the official Canada government of website, and you can go and find jobs there. For that you can just go to Google and write job bank. After writing job bank, you can get a link. Just click on that link and you will go to the another page, and there you can find a lots of job according to your match. So Job Bank Canada is a official website for the government for the jobs for different categories. It's depend on you that which category or which profession you belong. You can find different kinds of job here. If you are plumber technicians, or if you are a hotel management, or if you've done any hotel management courses and anything, you can get all type of job here. Don't have to go here and there and find jobs. You can get a genuine and authentic job in this website. Okay, so it's taking so much time to open, and I'm trying to get it as soon as possible. So we should hold for some times, and after that we'll check it. So this is the website where you can find all types of jobs. Okay, and I will put the link of this website in the description of this video. You just click on that link and you will come on this page. Here you can find all type of jobs, whether you are belong to any category, any types, any profession. Okay, in order to find a job, you have to just write your profession. For example, if you are a painter, okay, so just write painter here, and the location where you want to work in Canada. If you don't know the location, just leave these options and click on the search button. After clicking on the search button, you will get a lots of job related to painter on your desktop. So this is the very authentic and genuine place where you can find jobs in according to your profession. Okay, so as you see, there are lots of job related to painter. Okay, 1554 results are found on this website for your jobs. Okay, so just scroll down all the job notifications, all these jobs, and click on each and every jobs and find what are the requirements for these jobs. If it match with your criteria, if you match with your profile, then you can go and apply for it. Okay, for example, I'm just clicking on this website, on this jobs. Okay, when you click on these jobs, you will get different kinds of job notifications. What are the requirements, you will get in a single page. As you see in the screen right now, construction painter supervisor, it is needed, and the company, it is posted by this company. Okay, and the address of your job post is this one, Surrey and British Columbia, and this is the payment you will get when you appointed there for to work there. This is the permanent employment. This is a full-time jobs, not a part-time one. Okay, day shift, early morning shifts, and morning shifts are basically in these jobs. Okay, you will get all types of information in these jobs. What are the language requirements, education qualification, experience, specific skills, and major work area. All the things are mentioned in here. If it is matched with your criteria, if it is matched with your profile, okay, then you can go and apply in this job. Okay, to apply in this job, you have to click here, show how to apply. When you click here, you will get the details of the employer, and to them you have to contact them and send your email, and send an email with your CV and cover letter, and contact them to get a job there. Okay, so how to apply by email, you have to send the email to this email ID. Okay, or if you are in Canada already, then you have to go and meet them in this address. Okay, and if you want to send mail, then you have to send the mail on this address, and the timing to has been always given, timing also given in this website. Okay, One thing you have also seen in all the job website, that this is the important notice: this job posting has been provided directly by the employer to the bank. The government of Canada taken the step to immediate. This is the only disclaimer about the job posted. Okay. And one thing you also found that in most of the jobs in this website, that if you are not residing in Canada, then your application will be not accepted by the employer. This was a default message sent by every job post, so you don't have to bother on that. You just follow, check the job posting, and whenever you find any jobs, just contact them, the employer, and if you have the required qualification experience, then you will definitely get a job in Canada. Okay, so that's all for today video. I'm just closing this video here, and I will try my best to bring some more videos, informative videos in abroad jobs. So if you are new to in these channels, just subscribe our channels, and if you like this video, share it with your friends and family. Thank you.